Hi folks, John here again. I put together a quick presentation on Avalanche bulletins just to review some of the terminology and definitions, and hopefully this helps as the snow starts to fly and the forecast center start putting out those bulletins. Hopefully this helps add a little bit more value and context to their products. So I just pulled a screenshot from the two centers that are represented here in the class. We have the CAIC for the Colorado folks, and then NWAC, Northwest Avalanche Center, for Brenda out on the West Coast. So what do bulletins do? Bulletins provide a danger rating by elevation. They give you information about the day's avalanche problems. They have a snowpack discussion. They generally have a few snowpack discussions, a less technical one that's available for the tier 1 user, and then a more advanced product hidden deeper into the bulletin. And they also give you access to snowpack and weather observations. So these are kind of the four main products that the bulletins provide. So avalanche danger, we had a presentation on the North American danger scale during our in-class session, but just to review some parts of danger, this is right from SWAG on page 86 in the new edition. The terms danger and hazard are used synonymously in the snow and avalanche industry, and what they mean is the potential for an avalanche to cause damage to something of value. Avalanche danger is an environmental condition. And what a danger rating is, it's a ranking of danger for a period of time over a specific region. And generally it's 24 hours, but it may depend on the avalanche center. So here's another view of the North American avalanche danger scale. We reviewed it in class in Leadville in September. It's a 5-tiered system, low to extreme. There's numbers 1 through 5. There's icons. There's travel advice. And then on the far right, there's likelihood of avalanches and avalanche size and distribution in those categories. It is worth familiarizing yourself with the North American Danger Scale if it's a newer item. And they give danger with regards to elevation over a specific area. So here in the Front Range, this is just a screenshot from Colorado. We see that there are different danger ratings per elevation. The 3 zones here are below tree line, near tree line, and above tree line. Same image from the Northwest Avalanche Center. This is a screenshot from Mount Hood. A little bit different graphic, but it's the same concept. Danger below tree line, near tree line, and above tree line. Avalanche bulletins also provide information about avalanche problems. What they tell you about the problems is they tell you which problems exist. They tell you where they exist, how likely you are to trigger them, and how big they are. So we refer to that as avalanche character, distribution, likelihood, and size. You can have up to 3 problems on any given day. Forecasters generally try to minimize the amount of problems to keep a clear and streamlined message, but you may find up to 3 problems on any given day. Avalanche bulletins provide snowpack summaries. This is from the CAIC site. They have a pretty general and easy to read summary that's attached to the danger rating, and then they have a more in-depth summary buried a little bit deeper into the snowpack, or sorry, into the website. So we have a snowpack summary, and we also have a weather forecast. And then the last thing that these avalanche centers do is they're a great resource because they're portals to field and weather observations. So these are screenshots from the CAIC site. And as you start clicking around the site, you'll see you can get recent avalanche observations statewide or by zone. You can get field reports, so what forecasters, professionals, and general recreational users are seeing in the field. And there's also a bunch of weather observations from weather sites that you can track from around the state. So lots of great information on these websites. We'll be spending tons of time kind of unpacking the websites and getting tons of information from them. So thanks so much. Hope that helps. We'll see you soon.